Did you know the drone industry is projected to grow by over 50% in the next 5 years? Imagine what the futures of flight could look like. Now meet the DJI Neo, the next step in the future. Today we are unboxing the DJI Neo, the latest innovation in the drone technology, packed with groundbreaking features. This drone could be a game changer for everyone, from casual users to professionals. Let's dive in. I bought this drone on its release date and it took few days to arrive. This package is the Fly More combo, which comes with the RC N3 controller, 3 smart batteries and the charging hub. It costs £299 in the UK, $329 in the US and €349 in Europe. Unfortunately, it doesn't include a bag, but at this price point, I guess that's to be expected. Also, the package itself is really compact. The DJI Neo intelligent flight battery offer up to 18 minutes of flight time. For real world conditions like weather can affect that. It has a capacity of 1435 mAh with 7.3 output and the charging limit is 8.6 volt. Lithium ion battery. The charging hub can store and charge up to 3 batteries, and if you use the DJI 65 watts portable charger, it can fully charge all 3 in just 60 minutes. Plus the hub doubles as a power bank, allowing you to charge devices like your Googles or smartphones. We also got a small screwdriver and extra propellers in case we need to replace them if they get damaged. Additionally, there are charging cables and phone connection cables for the controller, compatible with both Android and Apple devices. Next, we have the RCN3 controller. You can also control the drone using your phone, but keep in mind that's only for a short distance due to its limitations. Additionally, you can connect DJI goggles, the motion controller and the FPV controller, which is really awesome for any immersive flying experience. And finally, the drone itself, the DJI Neo features 4K 30 FPS shooting with AI-based tracking, even without using a remote, redefining what's possible in drone flight. Whenever you are filming a cinematic masterpiece or exploring new terrains, this drone adapts to your needs, making flying easier and more intuitive than ever before. This little drone has maximum horizontal speed of 18 meters per second and ascent speed of 3 meters per second. It can fly up to 2000 meters high with a range of 7 kilometers, offering a lot of versatility for drone photography and filming. I still can't believe this tiny drone can cover such a distance. Previously, I had the Mini 2 SE, which reached almost 4 kilometers. If you are interested, I will leave the video linked in the top right corner. And don't worry, I will doing a range test with this one soon as well. What do you think of the DJI Neo? Could this be the future of drones? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for my next video where I will be do a review for DJI Neo.